welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. In today's video, I want to reuse all of my paper flowers that I did. Probably I'll add some leaves. I'll just gather all of my paper flowers that I did in the course of how many years, I don't know, and I will combine them into one backdrop. I am curious to see how it's gonna look, just because every single tutorial that I did in DIY on flowers were so different, and I am kind of excited to make this backdrop. Every single flower DIY tutorial I will link in the description down below. If you're interested in one particular style, go ahead, check the description down below and you will find every single DIY tutorial of paper flowers. Alright you guys, if you want to see what's going on, how this backdrop will turn out, just stay tuned and let's get to it. And I'm going to show you right now a collection of my flowers. Honestly, I thought I had more, so I have these white ones, also 700 pink ones, and then from a bridal shower, not baby shower, and then again from a bridal shower. This one I made it just for myself. Here's more of a bridal shower, and then I have these crepe paper flowers. I thought I had more. I won't be surprised if I'm forgetting something, but anyways, let's pin all of them and see how this backdrop is going to look. I'm going to pin all of my flowers on a pin with the pearl on top. This is how my backdrop with all of my flowers looks. I love this wall of flowers. I love it a lot. Every single corresponding video, tutorials, DIYs, flower DIYs, I will link everything in the description down below, so go ahead and check it out. I have pinned everything on a pin with the pearl on top. Also, I remember making these flowers, purple ones. I made them 2 years ago for one of the bridal showers, and I didn't know a lot about flowers. I didn't know anything about paper flowers, honestly. I used a really thin construction paper. It wasn't even construction paper, it was printing paper, but only in purple color. And I used school glue to glue all of the petals. And it took me ages to make, first of all. And right now, these flowers are just falling apart. If you're planning on making any paper flowers, use thicker construction paper and use hot glue gun. So they will serve you not once, but they will serve you for a good period of time. So I'm really getting ready to part ways with all of my purple flowers. It's time for them to go. I will also try to play with lighting and see how it's gonna look. And if I like what I see, I will share it with you at the end of this video. Well, this is it. This is my complete backdrop, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite flower, or what is your favorite flower in this backdrop that I did. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be there to answer and help you out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.